Certainly, here are some commonly used Excel shortcuts and formulas. Shortcuts. 1. Ctrl+C, copy selected cells. 2. Ctrl+X, cut selected cells. 3. Ctrl+V, paste copied or cut cells. 4. Ctrl+Z, undo the last action. 5. Ctrl+Y, redo the last action. 6. Ctrl+S, save the current workbook. 7. Ctrl+A, select the entire worksheet. 8. Ctrl+B, apply or remove bold formatting. 9. Ctrl+I, apply or remove italic formatting. 10. Ctrl+U, apply or remove underline formatting. 11. Ctrl+1, open the Format Cells dialog box. 12. Ctrl+Shift+Arrow keys, extend the selection to the last non-blank cell in the same column or row. 13. Ctrl+Home, go to the beginning of the worksheet. 14. Ctrl+End, go to the last cell of the worksheet that contains data. 15. Ctrl+Page Up, switch between worksheet tabs from left to right. 16. Ctrl+Page Down, switch between worksheet tabs from right to left. 17. F2, edit the active cell. 18. F4, repeat the last action. 19. F11, create a new chart on a separate chart sheet. 20. Alt+Enter, start a new line within a cell. Formulas. Sum, adds up a range of cells. Example, equals sum, A1, A10. Average, calculates the average of a range of cells. Example, equals average, A1, A10. Count, counts the number of cells that contain numbers. Example, equals count, A1, A10. Max, returns the maximum value from a range of cells. Example, equals max, A1, A10. Min, returns the minimum value from a range of cells. Example, equals min, A1, A10. If, performs a logical test and returns a specified value if the condition is true, and another value if the condition is false. Example, equals if, A1 greater than 10, less than or equal to 10. VLOOKUP, searches for a value in the leftmost column of a table and returns a value in the same row from a specified column. Example, equals VLOOKUP, A1, B1, C10, 2, false. Concatenate, joins multiple text strings into one. Example, equals concatenate, A1, B1. Today, returns the current date. Example, equals today. Now, returns the current date and time. Example, equals now. These are just a few examples, and Excel offers a wide range of formulas and functions to perform various calculations and operations.